He's trying to lift his head up. Come on, baby, you can do it, honey. Yeah. Can you lift your head? Come on, Jackson. You can do it. It's like, I'm tired. Uh-oh, there you go. There you go. Good boy. Today he is 10 weeks and I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and 4 days. He's almost 11 weeks right now. Good job, baby boy. Say bye-bye, everybody. I'm tired. It's time for me to eat. Okay. 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 He's tired. Oh my god. Yeah, he's hungry. Say bye-bye. No, don't eat that.